All right, looks like this week's going to be full of ups and downs in the temperature department, but we're kind of pinpointing on Wednesday for the possibility of maybe some wintry weather across the area. Something that you didn't think we'd have to talk about for a while, but it looks like that is a possibility as we're going to be watching another storm system approach our area. And with some cold air in place, we could get a little bit of a wintry mix across the region. First alert Doppler radar tracking some precipitation just off to our north. Now, most of this is very light, and it's very doubtful that any of it is even reaching the ground. But if it is, it's likely falling in the form of maybe some light sleet pellets or perhaps some light rain, maybe cold enough for some light freezing rain. The best chance for that is going to be in western Maryland here over the next several hours. But we're going to kind of get the tail end of this little upper level disturbance making its way through the region. Then we'll see a warm front lift through, and that's going to crank our temperatures up to near 60 for tomorrow afternoon. So right now we're in the 30s. Notice most areas, though, are above freezing. So if anything, there may be a couple of sleet pellets mixing in with some of those returns that we just saw up near the Pennsylvania border, but nothing that we have to be concerned about here for the near term. Otherwise, tonight's just going to be a cloudy night. Temperatures as we go into the overnight hours hovering into the low to mid 30s, and then we should end up again into the 50s for tomorrow. Again, as this warm front lifts through the area, brings warmer air back to the region for a couple of days. Then we're going to see those temperatures go back down here by Wednesday, and that's where we're going to be pinpointing the potential for some wintry weather. So again, tomorrow morning we'll still have a few clouds around. Temperatures will be right around freezing, and then we'll warm up quickly tomorrow afternoon. We're going to end up into the upper 50s across the area for tomorrow, depending on if we get some breaks in the clouds. If we actually get some breaks in the clouds, we could end up at or just a little bit above 60. And then we get a little bit cooler here coming up on Tuesday as the front moves through our area. And then we're going to be watching moisture coming in from the south. Now, the latest trend with the forecast models have Wednesday as the best time period for that. The European model is warmer with the system. The GFS colder and more aggressive with the potential for ice accumulations. But something we're going to be watching here on Wednesday is the possibility of some light icing that could cause some travel issues across the area. So something we'll keep an eye on. Looks like all of it should change to rain, though, by Wednesday night and into Thursday. But right now, looks like, again, we have an alert day possible for Wednesday for that potential for some wintry weather. Highs on your Monday ranging anywhere from the mid to upper 50s across the area, so it's going to be a nice mild afternoon. First alert 7-day forecast. Tomorrow we'll go at 56. It could end up being warmer than that. Mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies. 54 on Tuesday, and then colder with that chance for a wintry mix on Wednesday, and then temperatures back up to 56 on Thursday with more rain. We'll be right back.